Hello, I'm Pushkar Kulkarni. I'm associated with Kiran Jadhav and Associates since 2009.
Oh, wow.
Uh, so the technical analysis, the FNO trainings and all that they've conducted and which have taken advantage of, continue to take advantage of.
Right.
Uh, the I'm sure that many people take positions based on technical analysis, but after a while, uh, although back then they used to ask us to be brainless, but
Correct.
doubt does creep in from time to time. And because of this wave theory,
Yeah.
now I think the confidence level of every investor will go up tremendously
Right.
because the minute movements that take place in the market, stock specific, index specific, will the common investor will now be able to better understand as to why these movements are taking place and how they are taking place, how to gauge them, how to quantify them, and obviously where to enter and where to exit.
Absolutely.
It can't be more precise than this. So once again, thank you, Kiran Jadhav and Associates. Thank you, Ashish sir. Thank you, Kiran sir, and all the participants that participated in this modified Elliott wave theory training that was conducted today on the 24th of August.
Perfect.
Kudos to all of you and the
Yeah.
team. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.